This is a Westinghouse portable stereo record player. This beautiful sherbet orange. Very good condition for its age. I've gone through it and cleaned the moving parts and re-lubricated them. Replaced the rubber idler wheel and the 45-33 RPM needle. It does have a flip over style cartridge to play 78s, but I'm not sure how good that needle is. I'll include this package for the 45-33 RPM needle, so you have the number. In very good condition all around. Just a few spots of wear, but it looks really nice. Got the original flock on the platter here, and this one features a pop-up 45 RPM adapter. I've also gone in and replaced the filter capacitors and the tone capacitor. So there's absolutely no noise. This has 4 speeds, including a neutral switch, so the idler wheel doesn't develop a flat spot. 78, 45, 33, and 16 speeds. Absolutely no humming because of the replaced filter caps. And with the new needle, it sounds real nice. No noise out of the volume and controls. I've cleaned those with deoxit. And it plays your 12-inch 33 RPM albums just fine. Plenty of speaker cord to separate the speakers if you desire. My body's strong just like a guitar wire.